Although this is going to be a fairly quick video, I've already made some videos of the time lapses that I took of the northern celestial pole. Last night was one of the few clear nights that I had in a little while, so I decided I was going to take a time lapse facing south. So I pointed the camera at about 0 degrees declination right around here, and as it happened to be, the moon was visible during that entire time. When I was done and I was reviewing the images afterwards, I noticed what appeared to be some stuck pixels at the beginning when the moon was visible. So what I did was I loaded a few of the frames and I zoomed into this part of the image right here. And as I switch between them, you can see that some of these pixels remain stuck in that state. And I thought, over the years, did the sensor develop a bit of a glitch? And as it turns out, when the moon went out of frame, I noticed that those little dots were no longer there. So I'm wondering if this is a bit of a firmware issue. This morning I went online and I saw that there was an update to the firmware on my camera, so I updated the firmware and I'll see how that goes. I started at around 9:15 p.m. local time last night, which would have made it April 23rd of 2021, and I stopped it at about 11:45. So it was running for about 2.5 hours. I took a frame every 10 seconds, and in order to see some of the stars, I kept the exposure bias a little bit on the positive side, not quite as much as when I took pictures of the northern celestial pole. So here are the settings. Exposure bias plus 2/3. F-stop was 4.2 and the ISO speed rating was 3200. So here is 2.5 hours of time lapse. That's it for the moment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video soon enough. Bye for now.